welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Born in 1820 in Vermont, Henry Fuller Davis first tried his luck in the California gold rush of 1849. He found enough gold to get by, but not enough to satisfy his dreams of wealth. When news of the Cariboo gold fields in British Columbia reached him, he packed up and headed north. Like many others, Davis arrived too late to stake a prime claim, but his keen eye noticed something others missed. On a small tributary of Williams Creek, called Willow Creek, two adjacent claims seemed a little big. Armed with a measuring tape, Davis confirmed his suspicion. The claims were 212 feet combined, not the legal 200 feet. The next day, he requested a resurvey. He claimed the 12-foot strip between the two existing claims, earning him the nickname 12-Foot Davis. From that 12-foot strip, Davis extracted between $20,000 and $30,000 worth of gold, equivalent to nearly $500,000 today. When the gold ran out, Davis ventured north to the Peace River area, shifting from gold mining to trading. Davis was known for his fairness and honesty in all his dealings, earning the respect of the French-Canadian, Cree, and Métis traders. They formed a formidable alliance against the Hudson Bay Company monopoly, proudly calling themselves free traders. His toughness was legendary, but even he could not escape the ravages of time. As he aged, Davis lost his eyesight and use of his legs, yet he continued trading until his final days. In September of 1900, he passed away at the Lesser Slave Mission. In 1912, Jim Cornwall honored Davis's wish to be buried on Gerard Hill, overlooking the confluence of the Smoky, Heart, and Peace Rivers. Today, a grave marker on Gerard Hill commemorates 12-Foot Davis, noting his contributions as a pathfinder, pioneer, miner, and trader. In Peace River, Alberta, a 12-foot wooden carving stands as a tribute to this legendary figure who carved out a unique niche in Canadian history. Davis's life was a testament to resilience, shrewdness, and integrity. His story remains a captivating chapter in the history of the Canadian frontier, reminding us of the indomitable spirit that shaped this land. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.